In this video, I am fixing a hood that I got for my truck. I bought my truck wrecked, and as you can see, it kind of dented in the hinge on this side of the hood. But the big problem was that it cracked a lot of the under support structure so that it wasn't staying down tight as I was going down the road. Anyway, I ended up getting a hood from a guy. He called my shop and he said that he had to move out of his shop, and I went down and looked at what he had, and he had this hood sitting there, and he ended up just giving it to me. It had this dent in the front of it, and I've got a couple of different tools that can pull that, so this is me working the dent. The rest of the video is me just prepping the hood after I get the dent pulled, putting some Bondo on, and then painting it. You'll get to see the aftermath of it.